Are you undecided between the VIVE XR Elite and the PICO 4 headsets? You're not alone. It's not just about comfort or ergonomics when choosing a gaming headset, but also important characteristics like visuals, sound quality, and motion tracking capabilities. In this video, we'll be comparing these two headsets to help you make an informed decision and choose the best headset that best suits your individual needs and budget. We'll cover the VIVE XR Elite's 2560 by 1440 LCD panel, 5.1 surround sound system with active noise cancellation, and inside-out tracking with 60 OF cameras, plus the PICO 4's 2160 by 2160 OLED display, external motion tracking, and pair of accelerometer and gyroscope sensors. Get ready to be enlightened. If you're still undecided on which headset to choose, make sure that you stay tuned to MetaGen to learn more about the VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 headsets. Subscribe now to get the latest updates and make sure you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Are you trying to decide between the VIVE XR Elite and the PICO 4 headsets? It's not just about comfort or ergonomics, there are also some differences in visuals. The VIVE XR Elite has a 2560 by 1440 LCD panel, which is sharper than the PICO 4's 2160 by 2160 OLED display. Plus, each headset has a different refresh rate, 90Hz for the Elite and 72Hz for the PICO 4, which can make a difference when you're using VR applications like gaming or simulations that require quick responses. So which headset is better than others in certain situations? Are you looking for the best audio quality for your VR experience? The VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 headset offers both immersive sound scenarios that range from subtle whispers to heart-racing moments during interactive gameplay sessions. But what makes them different? The VIVE XR Elite provides a 5.1 surround sound system with built-in active noise cancellation and dual microphone channels for superior spatial awareness in games and entertainment applications. Meanwhile, the PICO 4 headset offers 3D positional audio technology that's tailored for gaming experiences by providing directional information based on where sounds are coming from inside virtual worlds. So if you're looking for clarity or distinct sounds when using VR applications, either headset is a great choice. When it comes to display quality, the VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 headsets both offer sharp visuals with a variety of colors. The Elite has an advantage here as the 2560 by 1440 LCD panel provides clearer visuals than the 2160 by 2160 OLED screen on the PICO 4 headset, which has a 72Hz refresh rate compared to 90Hz for the Elite. Additionally, each headset offers different color gamuts. sRGB 100% coverage on PICO 4, while Adobe RGB 97% coverage is offered by the VIVE Elite, which can affect how accurate an image looks when you're using virtual reality applications like gaming or simulations where accuracy is important. So which one should you choose? Well, ultimately, it all depends on your needs. If having the best resolution and HDR capabilities are important for your visuals, then go with the VIVE XR lineup. And if compatibility with industry standard systems and brightness aren't so important, you might consider the PICO 4. But what if you want the best of both worlds? Which do you think is the best headset to choose if you want the benefits of both the VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 headsets? Leave a comment below with your answer. When it comes to display quality and color accuracy, the HP Reverb G2 is the clear winner. It has a higher resolution per eye than other options and covers 95% of the sRGB color gamut, compared to 72% NTSC for the PICO 4 headset. This means you'll get more realistic images when you're using applications that require visual accuracy. But there's another important factor to consider when choosing between these headsets: heat production. VR head-mounted displays like those from the VIVE XR Elite or PICO 4 generate a lot of heat during use, up to 6 watts. So make sure you understand how this might affect your comfort level when you're playing interactive simulation games or watching entertainment content on either device. In summary, each headset has different advantages depending on what type of immersive experience you're looking for, whether it's gaming, simulations, or full 3D experiences. It's up to you to decide which one best suits your needs by comparing features like refresh rate, display clarity, and resolution. What should you keep in mind when assessing your comfort levels when using an HMD? When you're looking for a quality immersive VR experience, it's important to analyze the motion tracking quality of both headsets. The VIVE XR Elite has inside-out tracking that runs on 60 OF cameras. These cameras use advanced algorithms that track your head, body, and hand movements in real time. This means no matter which way you move within the headset's field of view, it will accurately detect your movement. On the other hand, the PICO 4 offers external motion tracking with magnetic laser technology and a pair of accelerometer and gyroscope sensors. This provides precise 60 OF positional and orientation data, allowing for smooth operation up to 8 meters away from the controller device. This contributes to a better user immersion in a 3D space after putting on the headset. So how can we decide which one provides us with more accurate motion tracking? When it comes to support software, both the VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 headsets offer a wide selection of applications compatible with their respective titles. The Vive's optimized Steam VR platform has hundreds of popular titles, as well as integration via OpenXR, a unified cross-platform API for AR and VR development environments. PICO 4 supports Unity 3D tools and features extensive support from its partner developer network. In terms of compatibility drivers, users should expect regular updates for all headset models to ensure optimal performance in different VR scenarios. In summary, the choice between these two headsets depends on your needs. If you're looking for device reliability or motion tracking accuracy, consider going with the VIVE XR Elite lineup over that offered by the PICO 4, due to its advanced 6DOF camera technology. If you're a content creator, there's no doubt that the enhanced graphics provided by the OLED panel screen renders maximum realism power, backed up by a nice range of supported apps and accessible motion sensors, making it one step ahead of the Vive. However, you may be missing out on some of the other rare experiences found elsewhere, so what kind of changes can better optimization provide us regarding improved fidelity? What do you think is the biggest benefit of improved optimization for fidelity in VR headsets? Leave a comment below with your answer. You should also consider the battery life of both headsets when choosing a VR headset. The VIVE XR Elite offers up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, while the PICO 4 offers an impressive 10 hours. This can be especially useful when using video-heavy applications like gaming or interactive simulations, where sessions can last longer than normal and require more battery power. To get the most out of your VR experience, you may need to optimize certain settings for improved fidelity. This includes reducing graphical constraints for better performance and maintaining overall comfort levels during longer sessions. For example, you can use features like dynamic resolution scaling, which automatically adjusts the frame rate and heat thresholds depending on your needs. What methods can we really use to get the best results and the most immersive experience from our virtual reality pursuits? The VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 headsets can have a big difference in cost, so it's important to compare all the features before making a decision. The VIVE XR Elite is more expensive than its competitors because it has advanced lens technology and adjustable eye relief, and separate knob adjusters for headband tension. You can also get an optional accessory like the battery strap, which can extend battery life up to 8 hours, perfect for longer VR sessions. On the other hand, the PICO 4 offers great value for just over half the price of the Elite headset models, but without any extra accessories like additional straps or batteries. So how do you decide between these two platforms when trying to balance features and budget? When making a decision, there are other factors to consider like resolution per visual field ratio, color gamut range coverage, motion tracking capabilities, and supported application libraries. This can help you figure out if investing more or less in either model gives you the best benefit for your needs. What do you need to carefully evaluate in order to make the best decision? When it comes to budgeting for a VR headset, the VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 both offer nice price points. If you're looking for an entry-level immersive experience, then the PICO 4 is your best option, as it's priced slightly lower than the Elite, making it much better for gaming or watching entertainment with shareable basic features. However, if you need more advanced features like higher resolution visuals, active noise cancellation technology, and 6DOF cameras with inside-out tracking ability, which may be beneficial for AR and VR developers who require accuracy in their 3D interactions, you'll want to opt for the VIVE XR's lineup, despite its relatively higher cost, along with many other additional accessories such as motion controllers and hand tracking modules. Ultimately, what matters most here isn't just cost savings, but how much money you get from either device. Each person's needs are different, so you should carefully evaluate yourself before buying any new gear. How can you differentiate between these two headsets when weighing up gear on your personal set of requirements? When it comes to choosing between the VIVE XR Elite and PICO 4 headsets, you need to consider factors like resolution, refresh rate, audio quality, and heat production. The VIVE XR Elite has a 2560 by 1440 LCD panel, a 5.1 surround sound system with active noise cancellation and inside-out tracking running on 6DOF cameras. The PICO 4 offers a 2160 by 2160 OLED display, 3D positional audio technology and external motion tracking with magnetic laser technology, and a pair of accelerometer and gyroscope sensors. It also has a lower price point than the Elite. Ultimately, it all depends on your needs and how much value you need to get from either device. Are you looking to upgrade your VR headset? Don't miss out on the PICO 4 versus HP Reverb G2 showdown. Find out which one is worth the switch and get ready to take your VR experience to the next level. Don't wait. Watch our video now to make the best decision for your needs and budget.